Israel Aerospace Industries has introduced an innovative missile, named Teaser, which is being hailed as a breakthrough in guided weaponry due to its unique guidance technology. Unlike conventional guided missiles, the Teaser relies on an external optical sight rather than a built-in homing sensor, a design that sets it apart in the world of lightweight, tactical missiles. Israel Aerospace Industries has expressed intentions to establish partnerships with international manufacturers, especially focusing on India as a strategic production base for both local and export markets. The Teaser missile is designed for deployment by infantry units, with capabilities suited for battalion-sized forces and special operations. Weighing under 5 pounds and equipped for shoulder-launched deployment, it represents a highly portable, low-cost solution for ground forces. Teaser uses automatic command-to-line of sight (ACLOS) guidance and is steered by an operator using an external sight called the Teaser sight, allowing precise guidance up to a range of 2.5 kilometers (1.6 miles). A key advantage of this guidance system is that it does not depend on GNSS, making it resistant to GNSS jamming or spoofing, a critical feature in electronic warfare environments. With a flight speed of 200 meters per second, Teaser's speed and guidance make it effective against lightly armored vehicles, light structures, and anti-personnel targets, offering versatility in battlefield scenarios. The system is designed to allow operators to maintain line-of-sight targeting throughout their flight, ensuring accuracy in various terrains and operational conditions. Israel Aerospace Industries has completed the first development phase of the Teaser missile and is actively seeking manufacturing partners to scale up production. According to company officials, the plan is to distribute manufacturing capacity worldwide to support both local demand and export potential. India, in particular, has been identified as a priority location for these operations, aligning with Israel Aerospace Industries' strategy to establish production bases outside Israel to meet rising demand. The interest in India as a partner is further underscored by Israel's current focus on expanding production capabilities, especially given the strain on Israel's domestic production facilities amid ongoing operations in Gaza and Lebanon. Reports suggest that Israeli defense companies, including Israel Aerospace Industries, are considering shifting parts of their production processes to India. With India's established industrial base and recent initiatives to attract foreign defense manufacturing, this partnership is mutually beneficial. India, as one of the world's largest arms importers, offers an attractive environment for defense manufacturing, with favorable policies and a skilled workforce. Furthermore, as India continues to advance its defense technology, collaboration with Israel Aerospace Industries on a high-tech system like Teaser would contribute to India's self-reliance goals in defense production while offering IAI an expanded production capability. Thanks for watching.